Hi, I'm Satish with the Products and Solutions team here at Fortinet. I'm super excited to talk to you today about FortiAnalyzer, our analytics-powered security and log management offering. Ponemon recently came out with a study where it's discovered that 48% of all breaches were a result of either criminal or malicious attacks. FortiAnalyzer directly addresses those root causes by providing three key use cases. The first key use case is advanced threat protection. In combination with the indicator of compromise service and the correlation engine that the FortiAnalyzer has, we help you identify threats in real time. Fortinet, with its millions, I think over 3 million different sensors all over the world, and with relationships with global partners, hundreds of global partners like, for example, CERT and so forth, we capture all the threat intel data, and we leverage our data scientists and machine learning technology like supervised and unsupervised learning to identify threats in real time. We then push those intelligence or indicators of compromise to FortiAnalyzer so that you can figure out any risky users or risky devices or networks within your enterprise. The second key use case is audit and compliance. Now, compliance management over the years has become very siloed and complex. Moreover, it takes months, if not quarters, to get that right. FortiAnalyzer, through its single pane of glass visibility, can help break down those silos and also gives you canned reports like PCI DSS, NIST and so forth to get you onboarded with compliance very quickly. Moreover, we also give you a tiered way of storing your logs. You can store logs either online for analytics workload, or you can store logs, for example, for HIPAA compliance. You might have to store logs for 7 years. You can store those logs for archival reasons as part of FortiAnalyzer as well. The third key use case is rapid response. Now, we've seen, especially in the enterprise segment, we've seen a lot of customers have their existing tools like ITSM tools like ServiceNow, SIM tools like Splunk and so forth. FortiAnalyzer natively can forward logs, and you can filter out the logs that you don't want to forward to your tools of choice, whether it is ITSM, SIM or homegrown tools as well. What this gives you, Mr. Customer, is it helps you leverage your existing workflows, whether it is through your ITSM tools or whether it is your SIM tools, to rapidly respond to threats. If you are a small or a medium-sized customer and you'd want a single console for your SOC, Security Ops Center, FortiAnalyzer as an analyzer can also give you that capability. Net-net, we see three key benefits that customers get with FortiAnalyzer. The first key benefit is it helps you, FortiAnalyzer helps you reduce your time to detection. Now, Ponemon also talks about mean time to identifying a threat has increased over time because of the velocity and the complexity of threats as well. FortiAnalyzer helps reduce that mean time to identifying a threat. The second key benefit we see is around reducing security risk. FortiAnalyzer, like I told before, through its single pane of glass, can give you an easy way to measure security risk. And because you can measure, you can also contain that, and that's how you can reduce risk. The third key benefit is around decreasing the time to remediate. Ponemon also talked about the mean time to containing a threat also increasing as years go by. FortiAnalyzer helps reduce that mean time to remediation through its analytics-powered security and log management offering. If you have more questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us for a one-on-one demo. You can also go to our website to learn more about FortiAnalyzer, which is an analytics-powered security and log management offering from Fortinet. Thank you.